coffee is great. That's not a controversial opinion. Tons of people love it. We love it in the morning, and we normally have a nice normal cup of coffee. Recently though, we tried the trend where we do the whipped coffee.
Yeah, and I really like how much it thickens it up, you know? Thickening coffee is great.
Great. So we're gonna take that to an extreme today. Some people have a medical condition that makes it difficult for them to swallow, so cool scientists and people made this mixture that thickens liquid up. We are gonna be using it not as intended. We are gonna be just thickening coffee just to see what thick coffee tastes like, feels like, what's the experience like. I wanna broaden the horizons. Maybe this is the new trend.
Yeah, you know, next time you go and the barista's like, you want oat milk or whole milk? They're also gonna ask, do you want thicken?
So I think let's start, Katelyn, why don't you start by making the usual coffee?
Okay.
It says ingredients, modified cornstarch, maltodextrin.
Okay, cornstarch, that's used as a thickener.
Yeah? Will it taste like corn though?
No, cornstarch doesn't taste like corn.
It says if you're mixing milk in, you need to let it sit for longer. And also, we need to decide, do we want it mildly thick, moderately thick, or extremely thick?
I mean, you know what my vote is for.
It's not that I was
not making a dirty joke. I would like it extremely thick, please. So my coffee in the morning, I make like an espresso, because I like lots of milk.
When you make coffee, it's more like coffee flavored milk than...
No, it is half and half, okay? It is half coffee and half milk. Various milks, I mix milks. Half whole milk and half oat milk to be both healthy and not healthy at the same time.
Statement here, I think it's more than half milk, which I love. I love how you make it. Why are you looking at me like that?
I feel like I'm being judged, even though I know you like it.
I like it.
Well, you'll see.
Okay.
I almost forgot to do honey.
Oh my gosh, Katelyn, the coffee that we're gonna be making is gonna be this consistency.
Yeah.
Yummy.
You know, I heard that by hearing liquid be poured, you can tell the difference if it's hot or cold.
What?
And I feel like I can now. After I heard that,
What if we do like a podcast episode in the future where you collect all these like myths and stuff like that and we test them?
it's putting a lot of work on me.
I'm sure Jack can have some suggestions.
Chat, if you want to see, chat, like you were saying, chat, we're not live. Anyone watching, if you have auditory challenges that we can do as part of the podcast, let us know.
Yes. That is less than half full.
I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. I left room. This is a smaller than normal cup. I just fill it till it's the right color.
It's not like you're defending your coffee choices.
Well, because I feel
All coffee is good.
I like coffee a lot, and I don't know what I'm saying. I feel like I'm being attacked, so I'm getting defensive.
You're not being attacked. I love how you make coffee.
Look, that's like half. That's like 1/3, 2/3. It's cold. Part of my process is heating it up in the microwave.
Tasty
Which some
though.
would also say is blasphemous.
How is having heated coffee blasphemous?
No, heating it up in the microwave. You're supposed to like steam the milk.
All right. I did it for 16 seconds?
No, it's gonna need like 30 more.
Oh, 30 more.
I usually do it for a minute.
Okay. Waiting montage.
That's probably good.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
Okay. So here we have delicious coffee. It has proven the test.
It's delicious.
It is great. Do we need to figure out how many like ounces this is till we know what to add?
Oh yeah. How many fluid ounces is it?
I don't know, man. I can go get a measuring cup.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, we need to be precise. That was my guess.
Perfect. So we need to add, milk needs more to thicken it than coffee and tea. So let's do 5.5 teaspoons.
Times 2.
Times 2, which is 9.
Oh my gosh.
That's a lot. 1.
1. We don't want to mess this up. 2.
2,
6. Oh my god.
7, 9.
That is a large volume.
Look at that.
That is a large volume.
Oh, delicious. Stir briskly until thickener has dissolved. Ooh, look, it's getting kind of white.
It is developing like a film.
Oh, it's already thicker.
Really?
Yeah.
So what consistency is this supposed to reach?
It's supposed to reach the consistency of honey. But because there's milk in it, it takes a lot longer. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll keep on stirring this and we'll come back if there's any developments. It's starting to get very whippy looking.
Yeah, it is kind of looking like that TikTok whipped coffee right now.
Yeah, look at that.
So not bad. I'm not scared yet.
It's definitely not honey-like yet.
Yeah.
Things have gotten real thick. This now reminds me, I almost don't want to say it because I don't want you to think about it. It looks so much like gravy, right? Like it holds like a peak, kind of.
Yeah, and the color.
And the color, and look when they jiggle.
Oh, it's like congealed.
The whole thing jiggles. Like liquid coffee doesn't do this.
Even the whipped coffee doesn't do this. This. We just tried it.
Ooh, I just did that by instinct. It wasn't bad. Oh my gosh, it's so much like gravy.
So much like gravy.
Mmm.
Yeah, pour a little in here for me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, it's so thick. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hello?
You've been chosen as the lucky winner of the E&K Radio Rumble! To win 10,000 pounds of ham, you just have to answer one simple question. Who should small business owners use to make shipping things easy this holiday season?
Oh, that's easy. Today's sponsor, Stamps.com.
You got it!
Wow,
All you need is a computer and a printer, and you don't have to wait in line at the post office. Better yet, Stamps.com gives you discounts on USPS and UPS up to 86% off.
But do they work seamlessly with all major online shopping carts and marketplaces?
I hear they do make it easy to schedule package pickup, meaning I get to stay home and sip beverages. That's right, and after helping over 1 million businesses, they have a proven track record.
That's a lot of stamps.
So if you're looking to get ahead of the holiday chaos, sign up at stamps.com/Evan and Katelyn for a special offer that includes a 4-week trial, plus free postage and a free digital scale.
No long-term commitments or contracts. Just go to stamps.com/Evan and Katelyn.
I was promised 10,000 ham.
You know,
It's not what I expected.
it dilutes the flavor of my coffee a lot.
It does. It really does. You need more flavor. You need more honey. You need more of everything. But it's not unpleasant.
I think it's a little unpleasant.
It kind of makes me think almost like of melted ice cream.
It's like a hot milkshake.
That's it exactly. It's definitely something you can eat with a spoon. I think this would be better cold.
I feel like I'm just like drinking, like if you took a lightly coffee flavored chapstick and melted it. That's what it feels like to me.
I think this would taste a lot better. It would the experience of eating it would be a lot better if this was chilled.
I kind of want to add more and make it even thicker.
Why?
To take it to the extreme.
Okay, I'm gonna say mine. I think I like mine at the consistency it's at right now.
Oh, you do?
I think that once it's chilled, it'll be kind of pleasant. I'll put this in the fridge. You get thickening.
Okay.
Okay, go for it.
Why? Why must I do this? It's just we're never gonna make this again.
I don't know.
think.
Like if it's good cold.
Oh, I feel it thickening so much more.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's turning into a cake, guys. It's turning into cake batter.
So disgusting.
This has been chilling in the freezer for like 10 minutes now. And the spoon is super icy. Sorry, burp.
Was it thick coffee flavored?
I had to say one thing. How does your mouth feel after eating this?
Mucusy.
It thickens like in your mouth afterwards. Like I had to drink a lot to
I
like.
feel like inside of my mouth is like coated with snot a little bit.
Yeah, I'm sorry about
Yeah.
that imagery, but we're just sharing our experiences here.
Better cold?
Better cold.
Good?
I said it's better cold.
It's less weird cold?
It's less weird. It's less weird cold. I don't know,
I would not seek it out. I would not seek out that texture.
Could you use this to make a really good mousse if you like knew how to work it? Could you use it to like integrate it into a cake as a filling? As a topper?
This makes me uncomfortable.
That's so funny though. It's like you made it even thicker.
I
It's
know.
gonna be even worse.
wasn't-
Why'd you do that?
I was curious.
This is thick. Look at this.
It's a little chunky too. It's like a little grainy.
It looks like peanut butter. Go for it, baby. You made this. You wanted this.
Also, this is like so room temperature now because we had to wait for yours to cool off. Ah. I keep thinking it's gonna be at my mouth and it's not.
It's like the most anticlimactic eating ever.
It's like a weird tapioca pudding. The texture almost like bothers me less.
It almost bothers me less. It's if you put the right ingredients into this. Let me just try something.
I feel like
Is this going to be the thing?
no.
A little swirl.
Do you think it just needed more sweetener?
I honestly enjoy that. It seems like it should be on top of a cake though, right?
I think enjoyment is a strong word. I don't know, man. It's hard to describe the texture.
Maybe because I like mousse.
This is not mousse.
I just think of this as
It's
mousse.
more gelatinous than mousse. It's like
It's new mousse. It may not be for everybody, but it's a thing.
It's a
Thick
thing.
Coffee.
I don't regret trying it. My curiosity has been
I think that there are people out there that would enjoy this, as weird as it sounds.
really.
Yeah.
Well, if you try it, let us know. And if you want us to try any other thick beverages, let us know. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. You know, I was about to say, I might make this again in the future, but then I looked at it jiggling and then I second guessed myself.
You're still eating it. Thought we were wrapping up.
We had wrapped up, but I just added some more honey to mine with the chilled. I like it.